Good morning. I'm coming in with a video today. I want to talk about these Cajun Belle peppers. I initially planted some seeds for the Cajun Belle on 17 January. On that day, I also planted up California Wonder, a Keystone Red bell pepper, and a shishito pepper. All of these peppers have since then come up. The last one to come up was the California Wonder on the 27th of January. But this Cajun Belle, nothing. So I replanted it again on the 28th. But I know it's only been 28, 29, 31, 7 days, but I'm losing hope as the other one hasn't shown me anything. So here's what I've decided. I'm gonna spray it down. I'm going to create a mini greenhouse situation for this. I'm overweighting, and I need to know if I'm going to have to buy this at the garden center, or I'm going to get some kind of luck here at the house. So I'm taking my handy dandy, some Costco saran wrap. Cutting this in half. And I'm going to put this over the top and see if this will get her to get herself together so she can grow some peppers for me. Because I'm like, she is just taking up space, and yeah, that can't work. Because I could be using this cute little pot for something else. Oh, I think I should have done it a little bit longer. But that's what I'm doing here today. And I'm going to do her little friend, her neighbor who's also hanging out doing nothing. So I'm going to light a little fire under the two of them. And see if I can get something to happen. Just give me anything. Give me just show me a sign. I need something. I'm like, yeah, all the other peppers that I've planted have all come up. And this is my first time growing peppers from seed. But they take quite a long time to come up. And then when they do, it's like, are you doing anything? All right, so there she goes. Got the two of them all wrapped up there. I think I need to wrap this one a little bit more. All right, I have a heat, like a light. So I'm going to put them under the light in this wrapped up situation. And I'm going to put it in my journal. And hopefully this will give me some success. I don't know if I'm being greedy or what, but all the other peppers have come up. And I keep looking at this one every day. And the original ones are planted in like a 6 cell pack with the other tomatoes, or an 8 pack. So when I look at that slot where the Cajun Belle, it's labeled for the Cajun Belle, and there's nothing there, I'm just like, okay, I want to make sure that I've done everything possible to attempt to grow this before I end up purchasing it again. And when I look to purchase more seeds online, I couldn't find any. And I was talking to my girlfriend the other night, and she was like, "Did you look on Amazon?" I was like, "No, I haven't looked on Amazon." And the seeds are available on Amazon, so I may end up doing that. But I want to conduct this experiment and see where it gets me. All right, guys, that's what's happening here today. And I'm just trying to utilize all my resources before I give up hope on this pepper right here and have to buy it at the store. All right, thanks. Bye.